y'all, it is Dede with Dede at Home, and today's video is all going to be about taking a look back at my old decorations from 2019 leading up to this year of 2022. So stay tuned to the end so that you can see this year's decorations. So starting back in my old apartment, as you can see, I love to repurpose my decorations, and I've done that back from 2019 all the way to this year. I just repurposed them and use them in different areas of my home. And this was an apartment, so the way that I decorated was a lot different than what I do in my home now. But as you can see, my tree here, I love the way that it looked, but you can see as the years go by, I do get better with decorating my tree just because I was able to add in more decorations. And that's a tip that I always give to you all, is buy a little by little, and eventually after a few seasons of holiday, you'll have accumulated enough materials and decorations for everything to look a lot fuller and grander. As you guys know, I absolutely love the traditional holiday colors of red, white, and green. I have still stuck to that color scheme for this day. Eventually I may change to something else, but these colors just scream Christmas to me, and I love to stick with these colors. So now looking into my home, you can see the outside decorations. I also started to use the tiered tray and decorated the tiered tray for the holidays as well. I did not do that this year just because I've kind of gotten away from the traditional decorations as far as like the tiered trays. I say traditional, but I guess I mean more of a cottagey farmhouse look. I just decided not to do that this year, but I still love the way that it came out, and I still do have all the materials. I may decide to do it another year, but I just didn't feel like doing that part this year. So the rest of the decorations in my kitchen are the same. I still decided to decorate my pantry like this. I think it's very minimal, but still very classic, and I love just the extra detail in the kitchen. And then I also kept the area on my stove with the decorations here the same. And then of course my absolute favorite area of my kitchen, which we'll be looking at very soon, is my coffee bar area. You guys, I love this. You know, I am a coffee drinker, and so I love to decorate this area. This is actually one of my favorite places that I've decorated over the years. I just love the way that it came together, and I love the way that it looks. It's simple, but it's definitely festive. So as I mentioned, I believe my tree has gotten better every year. So let me know in the comment box what you guys think. This was actually last year in 2021, and I was able to add more decorations to the tree, which I think definitely elevated the tree and made it look a lot better because it was fuller. But I absolutely think that this year's tree is my favorite yet. So definitely stay to the end so that you can see how it turned out. So again, continuing with 2021 decorations, a lot of the things here are very similar to what I have this year. This area is the exact same because this was my favorite part of my decorations last year. I really love the way that it came together. I think it gives a bit of a modern touch, but it's still traditional. And I also have the photo in the background. That was a DIY project that I did. I think it all flows together very well and seamless, and I think it's just perfect for this little alcove area. And then on my fireplace area, I added this garland. I think it was the perfect touch. I added the garland, and then I also added the ribbon and also the Merry Christmas sign. I got those from the Dollar Tree. And again, I think it was just a perfect touch for my fireplace mantle and right underneath the TV. And then on my countertop, I was able to add the plate and everything there. Again, I think it looked great. And then going into my entryway, I did change this area, so you will see it in a few minutes. But again, I love this. It was very simple, but it was a lot of red. I think it was a great touch. It's still pretty much the same, but I did change out a few things. So again, we'll see that pretty soon here. But again, I love those decorations, and then you'll just see some more decorations that I had in my kitchen as well. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is finally time for 2022. I actually bought a flocked Christmas tree. You guys, this is a 7.5 foot tree. It is actually the same height as my old tree. I purchased it from Walmart online. It was only I think maybe $120, but I absolutely love this tree. I have been wanting a flocked tree for a while. And this is what the decor looked like on the tree. Again, I think this is my favorite tree decoration so far. So let me know in the comment box what you guys think. I absolutely love it. I kind of feel like I need some more of the larger Christmas bulbs, but I'm going to go and try and see if I can add some at home, but those are very hard to find. So if you have seen any of the very large Christmas bulbs, let me know because I want to go pick some up. But again, I love the tree. I still have kept the same color scheme like I mentioned before. This is just my favorite to do, and I absolutely feel like it screams Christmas. It screams happy holidays. It makes me feel great inside, and so this is just what I've been sticking with for now. But again, I love it. I love it. I know I've said that a million times, but this year this is it. So again, let me know what you guys think about the tree in the comment box below. So as I've mentioned, the rest of my decorations are very similar with just a few small changes. Again, I did not change anything in this alcove area because I absolutely loved it last year. And on my fireplace, I did add two pieces. As you can see, there is a little decoration here on top of the mantle, and then I also added the trees here by the fireplace. These were actually in my entryway, but I decided to move them here. And then I also kept my little reindeer on the right hand side. Again, I love the updated changes to it, and I think it just added a little bit more to the fireplace area. And then I also added this little sign. I think I picked it up from Michael's, but again, this is pretty much the same. Now that I have a flock tree, I probably will go and buy some of the spray to flock that as well. And then this is what my entryway looks like. So again, very similar, but I did make some changes based off some things that I moved around. So a lot of the same pieces, but I repurposed it and used them in a different way. So again, these are my decorations for 2022. You didn't see my kitchen because again, it's the same. But I hope you guys love the progression over the years of my decorations. And as always, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel. And I'll see you guys really soon in my next one. Bye!